Once again, this is gone. This is gone out of the park. There's one more. That is a biggie, a monster strike, straight. And it starts off with a 6.
Another short pitch delivery. Another big strike. Look at those. A beautiful race. Guiding the ball over the covers for. First delivery tries to muscle it. Fielder under the ball will be the spectator. Short pitch delivery. And off she goes right from the sweetest part of the. Again, full of pitch. Oh my dear. Stand and deliver. Look at that. Kneeling onto his back leg. Little quicker. And the ball goes much quicker out of the boundary rope. What a connection.